Now the first step of layer by layer is to make a cross on one side, and it looks kind of like this. Now while you can start any color, it's recommended to use the same color as I am for this step to avoid any confusion. Alright, let's start with this red-white piece. Now since it's already on the right face, we can align it with the red center like this. Now for the white and green edge piece, we can't put it like this because it will be not flipped correctly. What we can do is misalign this red piece, bring this white and green piece up, and we can move it back over to align them both. Now let's do this blue and white edge piece. What we can do is bring it to the bottom layer and align it with the blue center and do an L2 to bring it up. Now for this last orange piece, we can't just put it up like this because it's not flipped correctly. What we can do is misalign the layer, put it up like this, and realign them all. And now just like that, all of them are matched with their center. Now if you get a case like this, where it's in the right layer, in the right spot, but not flipped correctly, what you can do is bring it down. Doesn't matter, you can bring it to one of these two spots, misalign the layer, bring it back up, and you can realign the layer just like that. So while I've showed you how to put the cross together, keep in mind that this step's very intuitive. So with a little bit of messing around, you can figure out how to put this cross together pretty easily.